Hello students, good morning. Welcome to part 4 of our chapter number 7. I love Gujarat. In the last video we have completed the explanation part of our chapter. Now I told you to be ready with your notebooks to write the exercise of this chapter. Right? First write it in the index, give date. Then from the new page you can start a lesson. Write the name and number of the lesson, date and the page number should be there in your notebook. The first topic we write is hard words. What do we write? Hard words. So the hard words for this chapter, first one, it is migrate. What is it? It is migrate. Second, island. Second is island. The spelling is written over here. Third, coastal region. All these three I have explained you during the chapter, right? So hope you all know the meaning of this. What is migrate? That is to move, yes, to travel a long distance. Then island, a land covered by water, covered by sea in all the four sides. That is an island. Then coastal region, yes, the seashores, yes, region near the sea. It is called a coastal region. Next topic we write is important points. What do we write? Important points. In that, the first point you have to write, that is from the textbook only. Birds coming from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. We have seen these in your textbook. Birds coming from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. Right? On page number 51, I have told you to underline these lines also. The first paragraph, last line, birds coming from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. This you have to write. Next point is about a century. That is on page number 53. The lion is saying about century, right? Page number 53. Center of the page above the blue box given. A protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and can be protected and breed is known as sanctuary. Right? You have to underline sanctuary word, you have to underline migratory birds, so that you can understood that this is about the underlined word. This is the definition of the underlined word. समझ में आया? You have to write two important points. First about migratory birds and second is about sanctuary. After that, give the heading, choose the correct options. Choose the correct option. In that, the first one, which is the second largest port of the country? Which is the second largest port of our country? Options are Jamnagar, Kandla, Verawar, Alang. Which is the second largest port of our country? Can you tell me which is the second largest port of our country? Yes, we have learned about it. Which is it? Kandla. Very good. Which is it? Kandla. Okay. The next question. Grass question 2. Grass growing in which region of Kutch is the tallest grass of Asia? Grass growing in which region of Kutch is the tallest grass of Asia? What is the answer? We have seen up this. Yes, it is bunny. What is it? Bunny. Very good. Option number A. Then next question. Question 3. Which is the national aquatic animal of our country? Which is the national aquatic animal of our country? Which is it? Starfish, crocodile, dolphin and octopus. Which is the national aquatic animal? Yes, dolphin. Very good. The answer is dolphin. National aquatic animal of our country is dolphin. Then next question, question number 4. Which dam is built on Narmada river? Which dam is built on Narmada river? Which band is built on Narmada river? Yes. Write the option, that is Daroi, Sardar Sarovar, Kakrapar and Kadana. These are the options given. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Sardar Sarovar. Which is it? Sardar Sarovar. Very good. The next one. Which mountain range lies in the Dang district? Which mountain range lies in the Dang district? चलो टेक्स्ट बुक में से ढूंढो आंसर. डांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कौन सी माउंटेन रेंज थी? ऑप्शन लिखो, सतपुड़ा, विंध्याचल, अरावली एंड हिमालय. Now tell me, from this, which mountain range is in Dang region? Which is it? Satpura. Yes. So the answer is Satpura. Question number 6. Where is Indroda National Park located? Where is Indroda National Park located? Options are Ahmedabad, Mehsana, Anand and Gandhinagar. Ahmedabad, Mehsana, Anand and Gandhinagar. Where is the Indroda National Park? फ्लेमिंगो गया था, वहाँ पे हमने पढ़ा था. Where is it? Yes, it is in Gandhinagar. Where is it? In Gandhinagar. So 6 MCQs we have written, right? Okay. 3 hard words, 2 important points and 6 MCQs. Then we will continue it in the next video. Thank you.